Welcome to CodeSec. Today I'm going to show you how we built an AI agent using n8n that takes customer support to the next level. This AI agent is designed to handle customer queries in real time. It can qualify doubts, answer technical questions, and even schedule calls with clients. Every interaction is logged into a Google Sheet, so you never lose track of leads or client conversations. Next, it sends a confirmation email to the customer or client, followed by reminder emails so no one forgets. Whether it's for web development, DevOps, or cybersecurity services, this AI agent ensures smooth communication between you and your clients. This is just the beginning. With n8n, we've automated customer support, call scheduling, data logging, and email reminders, all without manual effort.